afternoon, and good night, depending wherever you guys are watching this video from. Today we have another exciting video. We are modifying the WRX VB. One, we're doing the shifter knob, so a weighted shifter. Two, we're doing a carbon fiber bonnet, more like a Varis style, which I'm super excited for. I'm just warming up the car at the moment, but I've been waiting for this bonnet for a while now to make this decision as well. So it's just going to give it that extra aggression, and especially on the grey, it's going to be so subtle that it's just going to look so nice. So it's going to have vents here, which will make the headlights look more aggressive. The bonnet scoop is going to be more aggressive as well, and I just can't wait. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to hop in the car and we'll head out and drive over to Carbononics, which they're going to be supplying and installing the bonnet for us as well. So pick the camera up when we're on the road. Peace, guys.
Alright, it's actually such a nice day today, but we're almost there. I think like 8 or 10 minutes away. Honestly, I live pretty close, so there's not much cinematic happening, I guess, outside the window. But yeah, so we're almost there, and when we get there, we'll pull up and we'll have a last look at the bonnet before we take it off, and then yeah, the time to install the new carbon bonnet for the WRX VB, which I'm super excited. I think it's just gonna look so nice and aggressive, and once it's done, we'll go out, drive somewhere nice, and just have a nice cinematic video and look at the car, how it looks. Okay, so we're here. We're pretty much just pulling up. It's just on the right over there. But man, I'm so excited. I can't wait. All right, let's head in and then speak to everybody, get the bonnet installed. Happy days. All right, so we're here, Carbononics, and my bonnet's somewhere just in there. But yeah, super excited. Let's go inside and get everything installed. We'll put this on after, which is the COBB shifter for this. So we're replacing this light ass wheel with something a bit heavier too. So that will be after the bonnet is done. Alright, so it's done. Looks so aggressive. Wow, that looks so good. We'll go somewhere, park up and get some better photos, but that's it there. Like, the carbon just looks so much better. Oh, that's it, guys. So the bonnet is on. You guys kind of see it there. Turned out so much better than I expected. Really gave it that aggressive look without overdoing it. And yeah, installed and bought from Carbononics. If you guys want any parts for your cars, I'll link them down below. Super nice, friendly guys, and they'll install your parts as well. So there's D-Marker and Carbononics. If you're in Australia, then I'm pretty sure they also ship Australia-wide as well. So yeah, we're gonna go park up, get something. Yeah, I'm gonna go park up. We'll go find somewhere nice to just make like a little cinematic video, install the shifter, we got the bonnet on, and yeah, just have a proper walk around the car and give it a little review. Alright, so the Varis carbon bonnet is on, and oh my god, man, it looks ridiculous. Like on the grey, I was right. It looks perfect with the vents, and it's just that much more aggressive. And I think it just matches perfect with the C28s. But wow, really happy we went with that decision. And honestly, for a aftermarket bonnet, the fitment's actually pretty good. I'm really happy with it. It fits up perfectly. I mean, for new cars, all the moldings are really good. But wow, man, now the car just looks like something else. It's so good. Now we just need some semi-slicks, wider tires, but that looks amazing. Just gonna do some cinematic shots, and then after we're gonna do the gear shifter as well. So a bit of weighted gear shifter, and we'll see how the COBB shifter feels. But man, this is so freaking aggressive. I love it. Really just finishes up the car completely. And yeah, I think it's just missing the bigger brakes. That's about it. But wow, it's coming together so good, guys. All right, I'll make a cinematic video. Guys, underneath the bonnet as well, we still are running a top mount intercooler, so we still have, of course, super light compared to the factory one too, but we still got the ducting for that too. Yeah, so that's perfect. We still have cold air intake and super light bonnet too. Definitely a lot lighter than the factory one. I don't know how much by, but a lot lighter. Alright, I hope that cinematic was good enough. I'll give you guys a quick walk around because a lot of new viewers do come through into my videos as well through different videos. So now we've got the Varis style carbon bonnet, STI style full front lip. Got the CE28s with still factory tires until I do want to go 255 semi slicks on the all round as well, so it just fills in the guards just a little bit more. We might have to trim inside and do paint matched guards, which we're waiting for. We did order that, but we're just waiting for it now. Other than that, it's pretty obvious. Got the WRX STI style rear spoiler, side skirt under lip, rear diffuser as well, which I think finishes it up really nice. And then the NVIDIA R400 exhaust, so that just adds a bit of tone to it. We do want to do more to the car, of course, and we've done track days as well, so we know what we need to do, which is definitely pad spot, bigger brakes, and our stage 2 kind of a tune just to get that more power. But yeah, that's how she's sitting right now, guys. It's come a long way, and a lot of you guys have come with me. But the next thing we're going to add is pretty much we're changing the shifter there, so we're putting the COBB shifter, weighted shifter on there too, so it's a black one, so it should finish the interior up really nice. But yeah, super excited. Let's go do that now and go for a drive and see how it feels. All right, it's time to change this shifter just because it's just, I don't know, I don't like how it feels. It's super light and doesn't feel really, I guess you could say, confidence inspiring when you're shifting gears. So yeah, we're going to be changing that shifter today with the COBB shifter. It's a nice black one, so I can show you guys if I can open this with one hand. Hopefully I can. So it's this one here, and it's weighted about 350 grams compared to the other one. I might go home and weigh how much this one actually weighs, but I know this one's 350 grams, and it's just going to look a lot nicer and a little bit taller as well from the factory one, so it's going to be a little nicer to grab instead of going down for me, so that's going to be a plus. Come with a bit of installing hardware. That's a collar that goes over there that just says COBB, and then that's a sticker and some lube for once we kind of just screw it back on. But yeah, that's enough talking. Let me just take this one off and then we can put the new one on. All right, it's pretty simple. Let me just put this over here. You just kind of screw it off, screw it on, pretty much. I don't even necessarily think you need that kind of lube that it gave you, but I guess you can use it just to make it a bit better too. The good thing is we don't have any numbers on top, which pretty much means that we don't need to kind of line it up to these numbers. But let me put this together and then I'll screw it on and we'll go for a drive and see how the weighted shifter feels too. But man, this already just looks, it's going to be so much better. All right, so we pretty much put everything together. Now we just screw it on, simple as this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it just screws straight down. Man, this already looks so much better. All right. Okay, yep, that's perfect. COBB is facing us. Wow, that's like the perfect height now, and the weight already feels so much better. Yeah, that's so much better, guys. Wow, that looks so much better too. I am stoked with that. And the old shifter is going to go in here. The good thing is if we ever do need it, you could just simply, so easy, just screw off and on. But let's go for a drive. We do need to fill up as well, but I'm going to go for a drive and see how the shifter feels too. Right. So let's test out the shifter, see how it feels compared to the factory one. But I think it's going to be amazing. I already gave it a little bit of drive and we need to go get fuel anyway, so let's go do that and test the new shifter out as well. Okay. But man, already just driving with it, the height of the actual shifter feels so much better. Like now, combined with the COBB short shifter and the actual height of the, and the weight of this new shifter as well, it just makes the car so much smoother to shift. And when I'm going to just go for it, it's like it's a nice position for where my hand is. You can't really see it on camera, but it just feels really nice. The weight feels good, the throw feels good. Yeah, I'm just really happy with where the WRX has actually come and how it's just become more and more mine with each little tasteful modification. Like, it's nothing over the top, but it's just exactly what I wanted, and I love the thing, man. Like, and guys, the shifter feels perfect. It's in a perfect position from where my hand is straight down to the shifter too. So, and it actually feels like it selects the gears a lot better too. So it's a lot better than factory, man. Like, I genuinely love this shifter. So it's not too heavy and it's not super light like the OEM one. This is, for me at least, the perfect height, perfect feel, perfect weight as well. So now I'm super happy that the first gear, second, like it just all slides in so well. Super happy with it. And then of course carbon fiber bonnet. They're all just topping it up. The car's just looking amazing. Man, just parking it up, I had to pull out the camera because it just looks so aggressive, even with just like the downlight in my garage. Because this guy is the carbon fiber on the grey with the grey CU28s. Like, this is it. This looks so freaking insane. I love it. Like, I still need a but yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video, guys. If you guys really enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up, subscribe. If you guys can hit that subscribe button, I would really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the future video with the WRX, because there is still a lot more to be done and I can't wait. So